The digital marketing funnel is a strategic model that represents the entire buying journey of the customer's personas, from the moment they know your brand until the time they become customers. Your digital marketing efforts will need to be tailored for each stage of the buyer's journey. Hence, your business's digital marketing needs are going to be different from when you are at the top of the funnel to when you are at the bottom. At the top of the funnel, you have the awareness stage. The awareness stage is used to make your target consumers aware of your brand and what products or services you have to offer them. In this stage, the main objectives are to address your customers' pain points and to build brand awareness in the process. The second stage is consideration. This is where your potential customers consider whether your product or service is an option to resolve their pain points. Trust building with your customers is very crucial here. The third stage of the digital marketing funnel would be the purchase stage. At this stage, it's important to highlight how your product or service is the right choice to solve the customer's problems and to convince customers you are the right choice. The final stage of your digital marketing funnel is advocacy. This stage at the bottom of the funnel is about encouraging your customers to recommend your business to others, thereby generating new customers. Word of mouth reviews are powerful and should be encouraged at this stage. In order to better visualize a digital marketing funnel and identify gaps and areas of improvement, we suggest using Funnelytics.io to plot your digital marketing funnel. We go into how to use Funnelytics.io in detail in our Certified Digital Marketing Strategies program. But using the local cafe example from before, here's what the digital marketing funnel might look like. From the Funnelytics diagram, we can see that the local cafe's website is where they want to drive traffic to for two main reasons. The first is to make online sales, and the second is to drive awareness of the cafe and to encourage users to potentially head down to the physical store. Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, search engines, YouTube ads, and Google ads are good ways to achieve these objectives. Instagram ads, Facebook ads, TikTok ads, search ads, YouTube ads, and Google ads can be used to drive users to the local cafe's website's main page, a sales page, or even to the respective social media accounts of the cafe. These tactics would encompass the awareness stage, consideration stage, and the purchase stage. For the advocacy stage, users who have entered their email addresses or contact details during the purchasing stage could be approached with further relationship building tactics such as future promotions, invitations to become a member, or even with a request to write a review. With that, we've come to the end of Learning Unit 2. I hope you found it useful in understanding the digital journey your customers would take when interacting with your business. Remember, the backbone of a successful digital marketing strategy is a strong customer persona. In the next learning unit, we'll dive into digital marketing strategies. So see you in the next learning unit.